Hey guys, welcome back to another Unity tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to export your game, how to build it. I'm going to be showing you the very basics and what you should at least include into your game to make sure you get a playable experience and so you can get started with playtesting right away. Now, before we begin, I got a question for you guys, and that's to leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of video you would like next. So please do leave some feedback, I really appreciate it. And let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so for starters, open up your Unity project. Our project has opened up, and as you can see, we got ourselves a main menu, so the player can choose when they want to be put into the action. But the most important things you want to have in your build, no matter what, is at least some kind of main menu. It can just be a UI button that loads into scene. And you want to have a quit button. So first thing you want to do is go to the very top left and hover over File and go down to Build Settings. You want to make sure that in the scenes to build, you got your active scenes that you are using in the game. So in my case, the main menu and the level are all that I'm using as of right now. So I added those and I made sure that these numbers are correct since I am switching in between them. We can select development build, which will add a little bit of text at the bottom corner stating that this is a development build, and we can select our compression mode. Unless you know what you're doing, I would recommend just keep everything at default because that will just work fine. So we can click build or build and run. I'm going to click build because I want to make sure that I have a builds folder. And if you are using the Unity gitignore for your GitHub repository, builds with or without a capital letter will make sure it gets ignored. So if you want your builds to be pushed to your GitHub repository, you gotta make sure you remove those lines from the gitignore file. Okay, so our game is finished building, so all we gotta do now is go to our assets folder, right click, show in Explorer, and we will get our builds folder. And we can go to builds and run our exe. So as you can see, we got our game in full screen right here. This is the actual build. And we can just save our settings, stuff like that. And we can completely play this with a more playable setting. And everything works fine. And you can export this just like that. Post this on the internet, send this to your friends. Hey, sorry for the sudden interruption. Something went wrong with the creation of the video, so my apologies for that. I just wanted to apologize for one thing, and that is the poor editing and speaking. I'm still kind of new to the recording things. And it really takes more out of me than I let show for making these videos. But I really want to help people get into game development and make it more accessible, just like Brackeys did. And I love doing that through making YouTube videos and through streaming. And I love hanging out with you guys. So I hope I don't sound like a broken record, but please do consider looking at the Twitch link in the description below. Come join the stream at some point and maybe consider following. So again, my apologies for the weird ending to the video. Leave any feedback down in the comment section. Really appreciate it a lot. Have a fantastic day. Okay, I don't know how, but that fixed it.